Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Keewatin, part of the city of Kenora in northwestern Ontario. This lakeside town sits right on the northern edge of beautiful Lake of the Woods, offering stunning views and a peaceful vibe. Keewatin was once its own town before officially becoming part of Kenora in the year 2000. The name Keewatin comes from a Cree word meaning north wind, which feels fitting given the crisp breeze often coming off the water. In the early 1900s, Keewatin was a busy hub for lumber and flour milling, thanks to its location near the lake and railway. You can still see touches of that past in the old buildings and rail lines. These days, it's a cozy spot known for its marinas, quiet neighborhoods, and easy access to boating and fishing. It's also right on the Trans-Canada Highway, making it a popular stop for road trippers and campers. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Keewatin is a lovely place to slow down and enjoy the lake life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Keewatin, Ontario. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.